Hello everyone. Today I'm just going to do a quick unboxing of a new package I got from Lochby. I had not heard of this company before, but I was looking into Tomoe River inserts and found them. And then that led to me getting a couple of waxed canvas covers as well. So that's what should be in here. And my understanding, sorry, I'm gonna get that noise over with. My understanding is that they used to be called something else and now they're Lochby. Okay, so let's just go ahead and get those out there. So let's see, I'll put those aside. Well, let's start with the insert because that's really what I was looking for. I was looking for a new Tomoe River insert. So it comes, so this is a dot grid. Oh, and that's just around the sides there. And it looks like they have a little bit of fraying at the edges, but I think, oh, I don't know, that actually looks like string, so that must have just been some manufacturing excess there. So, oh, and there's some more. So the dots are fairly defined. They're not super light. The paper this feels like thicker Tomoe River paper. Let's see if it says. It does not. I think it is 68 GSM, I think, which is the thicker version. And let's see, do I have a fountain pen handy? I do. Let's go ahead and test it out. So this is my new TWSBI Eco Yellow, and I have carbon black ink in it. I'm going to go to the back and do a little bit of a test. And this is an extra fine nib on this one. So it looks like it's pretty good. Yep, no bleed through. Let's see. Yeah, the carbon black needs a little bit of time to dry on this particular paper. Okay, so that's interesting. New kind of insert. They have the field note size, which is what this is, and then they also have an A5 size. I'm not sure if they are intending to make any more sizes. So this is a little field note size waxed canvas notebook, or sort of like a traveler's notebook. Okay, I'm going to do some opening here. Okay, there we go, put that off to the side. All right, and it obviously comes with this big tag. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and take that off because it looks like it's just, oh no, I have to cut it off. Okay, I don't have any scissors handy right now, so I'll do that later. So this has a pen holder here and a wider area there. I'm wondering if this pen, yeah, that would fit in there. Okay. It's a little tight, but it works. Okay, and then there is a Velcro pocket on the back. And then let's open it and see what the inside looks like. Yes, and it did come with another insert of, I got an extra one just so that I would have extra. So this is the Field Notes Tomoe River insert that it comes with. Put that off to the side. So there's no strings in here. There's just little folio-like pockets over here. And so it looks like there's a folio-like pocket on both sides. That's the only thing on this side. And then on this side, there's also some smaller pockets for some little tools, perhaps. I was thinking this might be good for carrying around a little mini watercolor sketchbook, perhaps, but it looks like it might be a little small. I don't have them handy, so maybe I'll try that later and come back and update you all on whether that works. Okay, but it's still a very cute little waxed canvas notebook holder there. I'm going to put that up here. And then this is an A5 size notebook. Hold on just a minute. I'm going to open this again. That one was not as hard as the other one. Oh, desiccant, do not eat. Don't want to leave those around so my dog doesn't eat them. That reminds me, I should probably check for the other bag to make sure there wasn't another one. Put it away. So this one doesn't have a zipper. It has a little closure here that you're supposed to be able to undo like that and then open it up. Well, I'll go into the inside here in a second, and then looks like it takes, well, it's fairly easy. And then you can loosen or tighten this strap depending on how much you have in your notebook. And then back here is another Velcro pocket that looks like it's sewn over here, so it ends there. And then there's nothing else on the front. There is this little handle, so you could carry it around. And then I'll open it up again so we can look at the inside. There's a pen loop. Again, let's see if the TWSBI, because TWSBI is a pretty wide fountain pen. Yep, looks like that fits in there. Great. And it even kind of matches the inside a little bit. And then this came with an A5 dot grid Tomoe River insert. It's the same paper as the smaller one, so I'm not going to open that up. I'm just going to put it over to the side. And this one actually does have 4 strings in here. So you could put 4 notebooks here. You could also put one with the back cover in here. And then over here, there's another little Velcro pocket up at the top. And then, ooh, that goes all the way down. And then so these are card size, and then this top one goes all the way down to the bottom there. The mesh one only goes down to here. And then of course you could also use this area as another place to put a notebook. So the advantage of waxed canvas is that it's really strong and waterproof, and then it kind of develops a patina when you scratch it, if you see like that. You can also kind of rub out scratches, but I think the idea is really that it gets a lot of character as you're tossing it around. It's really super durable. And they were saying, there was a little promotional video that said that you could, let's see if this works here, that you could loop this around. There's another little loop here. So you could loop this around. See, it's a little tighter there. And then you could have this on a little loop, essentially. They were saying that you could wash it and then hang it by that loop if you wanted to. Or you could just hang it by that loop and have things easy access. So there you go. And they also have a pen roll or a tool roll. And they were all sold out when I was ordering these. Otherwise, I probably would have gotten that too, because these seem pretty neat. All right, so I'm going to close that up. Again, it's a little tricky, but I'm sure I'll get used to that the more I use it. And then I guess you could put the pen loop sort of inside here. There we go. All right, so there's the A5 with the insert, the Tomoe River insert. And then here is the field note size with the inserts there. And if you're just interested in some field notes or A5 size Tomoe River inserts, this is another option. They weren't that expensive, so it's a fairly reasonably priced option. All right, that's it for today. See you again next time. Oh, and don't forget to like and/or subscribe, and take care. Thanks. Bye.